Hi, it's Jesse Zeman, Executive Director, BC Wildlife Federation. Member update for the week of August 15th. Today is Tuesday. We're waiting on the update from the Pacific Salmon Commission related to Fraser River Sockeye. I think everyone is hoping that there will be a public fishery this year. Unfortunately, the summer and late summer runs so far are coming in at P10 to P25, well below forecast. It seems like these fish are about the only ones in North America that have come in well below forecast. The Skeena system up in Alaska, the Port Alberni fish, and same with the Columbia have come in huge numbers. It seems like the Fraser is the only one that's not coming in the same direction. On to steelhead. A few things you will have noticed. We've been in the media a whole bunch related to Interior Fraser Steelhead, still dealing with this issue with DFO interference in the piece around science, the recovery potential assessment for Interior Fraser Steelhead. This year, a record low, estimated 19 fish in the Chilcoot and 104 in the Thompson. These things are headed for extinction, and for some reason, it sure looks like we've had some major meddling in terms of the peer-reviewed science and what is being shown to the public related to Interior Fraser Steelhead. And of course, here we are 3 years after the province and the federal government announced their action plan for Interior Fraser Steelhead, and we really haven't seen a lot of action. So along that line, we are continuing to look to get support from our clubs and members around funding this post-doctoral position at UBC to look at the potential risks and benefits of a conservation hatchery specifically on the Thompson system. And also this project will look at some life history models to give us a little bit more insight into what kind of actions can be taken to help these steelhead, and also give us a little bit more insight into really getting down to the risks and benefits on the latest on hatchery intervention as a conservation hatchery. So we're looking for financial support. I think we're looking to raise an additional $9,000 from our members. This is going to be a $50,000 project. So if you're a club member or a direct member, if you can afford to support this project, it's really important for these fish. We're talking double digits in one system and literally 104 fish in the other, down from thousands. Really important because we're going to see this with other salmon populations, and we really need to get a handle on this question. On to sheep. Hope everyone's had a great sheep hunt. The folks that headed north, again, if you're heading north and you're going to be going sheep hunting, please ensure that any ram that you harvest is 8+. It's really important for the conservation of these animals that we focus our age selectively. Bo, our Becoming an Outdoors Woman, is in Vancouver Island. He's going to be hosted on Vancouver Island this fall. There are 10 spots left. It's going to sell out rapidly, so if you know anyone who wants to sign up, this is it. Take the opportunity. Otherwise, it's going to be 2023 before the next opportunity comes up. Southern Interior mule deer, all of our volunteers have been out in the field swapping over cameras. We just heard that we got some more funding to collar another, I believe, 90 juveniles, so fawns, in the fall in all 3 study areas. That project continues to tick along. Really want to thank all of our volunteers who are looking at pictures. I understand that we've completely cleared the backlog of pictures, and now we're waiting for our kind of service provider to give us more pictures. And all the people who are moving cameras, thanks for all your awesome dedication and hard work. We've had youth camps going on all over the province, which have been extremely successful, getting the next generation involved in the outdoors. Our fish program is off and running. I know Golden is hosting some educational program this week, and then our wetlands team have been out and about. I know this week they're also scouting out some more potential projects related to fish habitat in the Nicholas system. So having a great summer. I hope everyone's got out fishing, hunting if you're into the mountain hunting, and that you're enjoying what's by and large been a smoke-free summer. But on that vein, keep in mind that we're still working on some controlled burn funding, and it sounds like we're going to get some good news out of the government in Canada. So keep at it, enjoy your vacation, take summer for all it's worth, and I hope everyone gets out fishing, camping, and hunting with their families. Talk to you soon.